Hello, Greg Barsoda with Forest River Marine. Just climbing on this video to give you a quick description of our arches. One thing we do probably better than anybody else is the arches are powered. We do several types of arches. We do a tubular arch, we do a welded clad arch like is in this boat. They are all powered up and down. Switches are located differently. This is a sport model. In this case, we will pull our switch panel out into the open, and you will see the power arch up and down. At this point, this arch will come all the way down and basically touch the windshield. It allows you to get on the bridges and your boathouse, items like that.